Here are Grandma's 33 old Vicks Vaporub hacks you'll wish you knew sooner. Soothe cracked heels. One of Grandma's go-to remedies for cracked heels is applying Vicks Vaporub. The combination of menthol, eucalyptus, and camphor in the ointment softens rough, dry skin and promotes healing. Before bed, rub a generous amount of Vicks onto your cracked heels, then cover them with socks to lock in moisture. By morning, your feet will feel smoother and more hydrated. Repeat this nightly for deep healing, and your cracked heels will be a thing of the past. Silence a squeaky door. Got a squeaky door driving you crazy? Vicks Vaporub can help. Simply apply a small amount of Vicks to the hinges of the door and move it back and forth to work the ointment in. The lubricating properties of the balm reduce friction, silencing the annoying squeaks. Plus, it's a simple hack using something you likely already have at home. Treat cold sores. Vicks Vaporub can help soothe cold sores and speed up healing. The menthol and eucalyptus in the formula provide a cooling sensation that eases the discomfort and irritation caused by cold sores. Apply a small dab directly to the affected area a few times a day. The antiviral properties of the ingredients help dry out the sore and reduce inflammation, promoting faster healing. It's a quick and simple remedy for an uncomfortable and common issue. Repel moths in closets. Keep moths out of your closet by using Vicks Vaporub as a natural repellent. The strong menthol scent deters moths from nesting in your clothing. Place a small, open container of Vicks in the corners of your closet or dab a bit on cotton balls and tuck them into pockets or drawers. The scent will help keep moths at bay without the need for chemical repellents. It's an easy way to protect your clothes from moth damage. Relieve congestion. Vicks Vaporub is Grandma's trusted remedy for relieving congestion. Apply a small amount to your chest and throat to help ease breathing during colds or allergies. The menthol, eucalyptus, and camphor in the formula work together to open up nasal passages, providing fast, soothing relief. You can also add a bit to a bowl of hot water and inhale the steam for an even stronger effect. It's an effective and comforting way to breathe easier during cold and flu season. Prevent rust on tools. Protect your tools from rusting by applying a thin layer of Vicks Vaporub. The petroleum base creates a barrier against moisture, which helps prevent rust from forming on metal surfaces. After cleaning your tools, rub a small amount of Vicks onto them and wipe off any excess. Deter rodents from entering spaces. Are you dealing with unwanted rodents? Vicks Vaporub's strong menthol scent is a natural deterrent to rodents like mice and rats who are sensitive to strong smells. To use, apply a small dab of Vicks onto cotton balls and place them near entry points, such as under cabinets or in basements. The smell disrupts their sense of smell, making them avoid those areas. For long-lasting protection, refresh the cotton balls with more Vicks every week to keep the scent strong. Headache remedy. Are you struggling with a headache? Vicks Vaporub can provide soothing relief thanks to its menthol and eucalyptus, which cool the skin and reduce muscle tension. To relieve headaches, rub a small amount onto your temples and forehead, gently massaging the area for a few minutes. The cooling sensation helps ease tension, while the scent promotes relaxation. For sinus headaches, also apply some Vicks under your nose and on your neck to clear congestion and relieve pressure faster. Repel mosquitoes. Did you know Vicks Vaporub can help keep mosquitoes at bay? The strong menthol and eucalyptus scent masks your body's natural odor, making it harder for mosquitoes to find and bite you. Apply small dabs of Vicks to exposed skin, like your wrists, ankles, and neck, to repel mosquitoes. This is a great backup option when you don't have bug spray on hand. For added protection, reapply every few hours, especially if you're sweating or active outdoors. Deodorize smelly shoes. Are you tired of dealing with smelly shoes? Vicks Vaporub can eliminate odors and leave your shoes smelling fresh. The menthol scent neutralizes bad smells and replaces them with a clean fragrance. To use, place a small amount of Vicks on cotton balls and insert them into each shoe, leaving them overnight to work their magic. For especially smelly shoes, try applying a small layer of Vicks directly inside the shoe lining. This hack works well for gym shoes or work boots. Foot pain relief. After a long day on your feet, Vicks Vaporub can bring much-needed relief to aching muscles. The menthol and eucalyptus ingredients offer a cooling sensation that reduces pain and inflammation. Massage a generous amount into your feet, paying attention to sore spots like the arches and heels. After applying, wear socks to lock in moisture and help the balm absorb fully. For extra relief, soak your feet in warm water beforehand to open pores and enhance the soothing effect. Keep flies away from garbage cans. Are you struggling to keep flies away from your garbage cans? Vicks Vaporub can help repel them with its strong menthol scent, which flies find unpleasant. Rub a small amount of Vicks around the edges and lid of your garbage can. The smell acts as a barrier, deterring flies from gathering near the trash. To maintain effectiveness, reapply Vicks every few days, especially during hot weather. Treat nail fungus. Vicks Vaporub can be a surprising yet effective remedy for treating nail fungus, according to Grandma. The antifungal properties of eucalyptus and menthol help slow the growth of the fungus. Apply a small amount of Vicks to the infected nails, especially around the nail bed, and cover them with a bandage. Do this daily until the infection clears up, which can take several weeks. For faster results, trim the nails regularly to allow the Vicks to penetrate deeper into the affected area. Soothe itchy rashes from poison ivy. Are you looking for quick relief from poison ivy rashes? Vicks Vaporub's cooling menthol helps soothe the itching and discomfort caused by poison ivy. Apply a small amount of Vicks directly to the affected areas, and the menthol will numb the skin, while eucalyptus reduces inflammation. Make sure to clean the area first, then apply the Vicks for faster relief. For larger rashes, reapply as needed throughout the day to keep the itching at bay and reduce irritation. Soothe insect bites. Are you dealing with itchy, inflamed insect bites? The cooling menthol in Vicks Vaporub provides instant relief by numbing the skin and reducing swelling. Apply a small dab directly to the bite and gently rub it in for soothing relief. The eucalyptus also has anti-inflammatory properties that help calm the irritation. Reapply as needed throughout the day to keep the itching under control. This hack works for mosquito bites, bee stings, or any small bug bites that need quick relief. Treat athlete's foot. Vicks Vaporub can be used to treat athlete's foot due to its antifungal properties. The menthol and eucalyptus help slow the spread of the fungus while soothing the itching and discomfort. To treat an athlete's foot, rub a generous amount of Vicks onto the affected area, especially between the toes where fungus thrives. Apply twice daily in the morning and before bed to keep the infection in check. For best results, keep your feet clean and dry throughout the day. Eliminate musty smells in basements. Are you struggling to get rid of musty odors in your basement? Vicks Vaporub can neutralize the unpleasant smell with its strong menthol and eucalyptus scent. Place open containers of Vicks in problem areas or apply it to cotton balls and tuck them into corners. The fragrance works to freshen the air and eliminate mustiness. For lasting results, replace the cotton balls every few days. It's an easy solution to keep your basement smelling clean without resorting to harsh chemicals. Reduce belly fat. Vicks Vaporub can be used as part of a belly slimming wrap to temporarily reduce bloating and slim the waistline. By applying a mixture of Vicks, baking soda, and a few drops of camphor oil to the stomach and wrapping it with plastic wrap, you can increase circulation and promote sweating. Leave the wrap on for about an hour, then rinse. For best results, combine this treatment with regular exercise and a balanced diet to support fat loss efforts. Treat dry scalp. For a dry, itchy scalp, Vicks Vaporub offers relief with its moisturizing and soothing properties. The menthol and eucalyptus in Vicks hydrate the scalp and promote blood circulation, easing irritation. Apply a small amount to the scalp, focusing on dry areas, and leave it on for 30 minutes before rinsing. Using this treatment once a week helps maintain a healthy, hydrated scalp and prevents recurring dryness. Remove splinters. Vicks Vaporub can make removing stubborn splinters less painful and easier. The menthol reduces swelling, while eucalyptus softens the skin around the splinter. Apply a small amount of Vicks to the area, wait a few minutes, and then use tweezers to remove the splinter with ease. This hack softens the skin, making the splinter easier to grasp and pull out, reducing discomfort and irritation during the removal process. Minor burn relief. Got a minor burn from cooking or touching something hot? Vicks Vaporub can provide quick relief. The menthol and eucalyptus in Vicks create a cooling sensation that soothes the burn and reduces inflammation. Gently apply a thin layer of Vicks to the affected area for instant relief from discomfort. This helps prevent further irritation while moisturizing the skin as it heals. Just be sure to use Vicks only on minor burns that are not open or blistering. Quiet a creaky bed frame. Vicks Vaporub can be used to silence a creaky bed frame. The thick, lubricating properties of Vicks help reduce friction between metal or wooden components. Apply a small amount of Vicks to the joints and any areas where the frame rubs together, then move the bed to work the ointment in. This will reduce the noise and make for a quieter, more restful sleep. It's a quick, easy solution to fix squeaky furniture without tools. Mask the smell of paint. Vicks Vaporub can help mask strong paint odors when you're working on home projects. The strong menthol and eucalyptus scent cuts through the harsh smell of paint, making it easier to tolerate. Apply a small amount of Vicks under your nostrils before painting or being in a freshly painted room. The soothing scent helps you breathe more comfortably while reducing exposure to the overpowering fumes. Sore muscle relief. Are you dealing with sore muscles? Vicks Vaporub is an excellent remedy for soothing muscle aches. The menthol and eucalyptus in the formula provide a cooling sensation that helps relax tight muscles and reduce inflammation. Rub a generous amount of Vicks onto sore muscles, massaging it in to boost circulation. The balm not only eases pain, but also moisturizes the skin. For deeper relief, cover the area with a warm towel after applying the Vicks to allow the heat to enhance the soothing effect. Relieve earache. If you're suffering from an earache, Vicks Vaporub can offer relief. While you shouldn't put Vicks directly in your ear, applying it around the outer ear can help reduce pain and discomfort. The cooling menthol works to soothe inflammation, and the scent can also help with sinus congestion, which may be contributing to the earache. Gently massage a small amount of Vicks around the ear, being careful to avoid the ear canal, and cover with a warm cloth for added comfort. Chapped lips relief. Are you struggling with dry, chapped lips? Vicks Vaporub can offer quick relief with its moisturizing properties. The menthol and eucalyptus soothe cracked lips, while the petroleum jelly locks in moisture. Apply a small amount of Vicks to your lips before bed, allowing it to work overnight. You'll wake up to softer, hydrated lips. Be careful not to ingest it and only use it for short-term relief. It's a fast fix for lips that need serious moisture. Heal bruises. Did you know Vicks Vaporub can help speed up the healing of bruises? The menthol and eucalyptus promote circulation, which helps reduce discoloration and swelling. Gently massage a small amount of Vicks onto the bruised area, improving blood flow to the skin. For extra effectiveness, apply it twice a day until the bruise fades. Deter insects around windowsills. If insects are making their way into her home through windows, Grandma uses Vicks Vaporub to keep them at bay. The strong menthol scent repels bugs like ants and mosquitoes. Simply apply a thin layer of Vicks along windowsills or any cracks where insects may enter. The smell acts as a natural deterrent, making your home less inviting to pests. Reapply as needed, especially during warmer months, to keep bugs away without the use of harsh chemicals. Clear up minor wounds and scrapes. For minor wounds and scrapes, Vicks Vaporub offers a gentle way to protect and heal. The menthol and eucalyptus in the formula have mild antiseptic properties that help keep the wound clean. Apply a thin layer over the cleaned wound, then cover it with a bandage. The petroleum base locks in moisture, promoting faster healing. Use this method daily until the wound heals. Vicks helps keep dirt and bacteria out, ensuring your cuts and scrapes heal quickly and effectively. Reduce stretch marks. Vicks Vaporub may help soften the appearance of stretch marks over time. The combination of menthol, eucalyptus, and camphor promotes circulation and improves skin elasticity, making stretch marks less visible. Apply a generous amount of Vicks to the affected areas and massage it daily. While it won't completely erase stretch marks, regular use can help them fade and become less prominent, especially on areas like the stomach and thighs. Cough suppressant. Looking for relief from a nagging cough? Vicks Vaporub can help suppress it, and Grandma uses it as a quick home remedy. The menthol and eucalyptus in Vicks work together to soothe the throat and loosen chest congestion. To use, rub a generous amount on your chest and throat before bed. The cooling vapors will ease coughing, allowing you to breathe more comfortably. For extra relief, try applying it to the soles of your feet and covering them with socks. Remove warts. Vicks Vaporub can be an effective home remedy for removing warts. The camphor and eucalyptus in Vicks create an environment that inhibits wart growth. Apply a thick layer of Vicks to the wart and cover it with a bandage. Repeat this process daily, and over time, the wart will shrink and eventually disappear. For best results, keep the area clean and continue the treatment until the wart is gone. Clear acne. Are you dealing with stubborn acne? Vicks Vaporub can help clear breakouts thanks to its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. Apply a small dab of Vicks directly to acne spots before bed. The menthol and eucalyptus help reduce redness and swelling, while the camphor works to dry out the pimple. Leave it on overnight, and by morning you should see a reduction in size and inflammation. Use this method sparingly to avoid drying out your skin. For more contents like this, click here to subscribe.